This.
What are you gonna build, Mexi?
Something else with this. Look.
Wow. Don't you need to read the instructions, puppy?
I already have the instructions.
Oh, that's the visual instructions.
Yeah.
You just look at. You're very smart, Mexi. How old are you, puppy?
I don't know.
You're like 5?
5, yeah.
Cute.
Just look, I count my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, you're really big.
I'm finished with the planes.
You already finished building the place. Oh no, is that missing anything? Trip slinger? Is he missing something on his nose or is like that? Oh wow. You're very fast, Mexi.
Mommy, look.
Yeah.
Wait, there's something missing. Look.
What is
Mommy,
it, puppy?
Look, Mommy. Mommy, look. Look. Wait, there's something missing to the Mexico airplane. Look. He lost his cape.
Oh no.
He lost his cape.
That was our guitar
It
fill.
was the cape. He lost his cape.
The cape? He's a luchador. He's a wrestler. He cannot lose the cape, puppy.
I know.
Ooh.
Look. Ta-da. I'm building everything. Look.
Wow, Mexi.
This one.
Wow.
We're missing someone. A cape.
What is a cape, puppy?
Right here.
Hi, Kala, you found it, puppy?
Now look. Look, Mommy. Don't think about looking at it.
I'm not gonna look at it.
Don't look at it.
Ooh.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I told you to not look at it.
I want that. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
Oh, good.
First, I need to finish this. Look, Mommy, look. Look at my playset. Look, I built it.
Mexi.
But don't get up.
I won't.
Valentino, you need to come and see it.
That was Mexi. Finish building.
Valentino, come and see this, Valentino. Look.